guys, how are you all? I hope that you are doing well. I appreciate all of your patience on last week. Just like have no idea what I did. Well, actually I do kind of know what I did, but I hurt my back again, which has happened twice this year, which has just been so frustrating. I was like totally off my feet for a couple of days. So I obviously didn't get a video up, but I'm back this week and I thought better late than never. Let's do some April favorites because there are definitely a few products that I've been loving, and this kind of counts the first week of May too, because one of the products is newer, but I can already tell that I love it. I'm just totally obsessed with it. I've been using it for about 3 weeks at this point, so not a full month, but it's definitely already a favorite and I'm sure will be a staple in my routine. So not too many products this month, but the one product, like I said, that I've been using for about 3 weeks that I absolutely love and was a suggestion from you guys was the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. Over the years of having this channel, so many of you have said you have to try this if you like cleansing balms. It's so beautiful, and you are all correct. It is absolutely amazing. Whenever you guys suggest anything, I have like a little note on my phone and I always put the suggestion down, so when I need a new product, I can go in and see what you guys have been loving. But this product is just amazing. It's a really wonderful texture and it really easily melts into your hands. So it doesn't feel like thick when you apply it to your face, and then it does emulsify underwater, but I use like a warm cloth to actually remove the product. And this does such a good job of either just like cleansing bare skin and giving yourself a little facial massage when you're using it, or taking off makeup. I personally use this to remove eye makeup and I haven't had any irritation. It's really gentle, but because it has that Manuka honey in it, it is doing a little bit of exfoliating, which my skin definitely needs. And then the physical exfoliating of actually removing it with a warm cloth also has really been helping my skin. And I feel like the texture of my skin has really improved since adding this into my routine. And cleansing is something that, you know, I wouldn't not do, but I haven't been super excited about a cleanser in a while. And so to have one that I'm really loving is great because it just motivates me to always wash my face and to enjoy washing my face and to take a little extra time to do that facial massage that I feel like you can really only do with a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. And I've just really missed a balm, and this one is so good. If you've been thinking about this, if you are a cleansing balm fan, try it out. I promise you won't be disappointed. The smell is really mild, so if you're scent sensitive, I don't think you'd need to worry about this. And again, it's just a really beautiful texture. A little goes a long way, and I've really been enjoying it. Okay, next up for favorites. If I put this on, I would have a bit of a Canadian tuxedo going on. I've been needing new jeans for a long time, and I haven't really been going out to stores, and I feel like denim shopping online is like the worst thing that you can do, but I braved it anyway, and I tried a couple different styles. A lot of them didn't work out. There was a lot of size exchanging that I needed to do, but I finally landed on a pair that I absolutely love, and I'm so happy with them. These are from Reformation. Let me make sure I get this name right. They are the Peyton high-rise bootcut jeans, and they're $128, so not super cheap, but I feel like in terms of like a more luxury oriented brand, it's not as crazy expensive as I've seen jeans. So kind of like mid-range, I would say. I absolutely love them. They're in the shade Malta, and I feel like it's like the perfect in between light and dark wash. I have actually worn through the knees in 2 of my pair of jeans, and that's why I ended up buying these, because I no longer had any long jeans that didn't have a hole in the knee. So I felt like I needed something that looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer, and then the others will probably be designated as like painting jeans, or I'll cut them into shorts. I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm hoping that these will last me a long time. I don't know why I ever wore low-rise jeans. Like, it's so uncomfortable. I only like high-rise jeans. I ended up having to go down a size in these. Usually I'm like a 26 or so, and I actually went down to a 25, which is shocking because I feel like Reformation stuff always runs small, but for whatever reason, going down a size just worked better for me in these. And they were definitely tight when I first got them, but within like 10 minutes of wearing them, they'd stretched out to like feel very comfortable. I don't know, it's kind of like a stretch fabric. I washed it for the first time and I put them in the dryer, and I'm not sure you're supposed to do that because it was a struggle to get them on after taking them out of the dryer, but they've stretched out again because I've worn them a few times, and so now they're comfortable. So I don't know, but whatever they're doing, they're working for me and I'm really enjoying them. And I absolutely love bootcut jeans. Like, why do we need anything besides bootcut jeans? And the last favorite is not really a physical favorite, but it's more of an app that I've really been enjoying and we've been using a ton in our life, and that is Headspace. So I think there's a free trial that you can download, but we've been using something particular on Headspace, and we've mainly been using it because Jared's company has like a incentive or a perk or something, gave all the employees a subscription this year, so we've been really using it. And we don't use it for like guided meditation or anything, but what we do use is the bedtime stories part. I don't exactly know what it's called. I should have looked at it before I started talking about it, but I'll have like a little screen playing somewhere over here so you guys can watch how to get to them. But man, putting them on while you're falling asleep, it just makes you fall asleep so quickly. It keeps my mind from like racing or me thinking about what I have to do tomorrow, or just like all those things that prevent me from falling asleep in a timely manner. It just like really focuses my brain on the story that we're listening to. There are a couple that like are just too strange and I get distracted by how strange they are, so I don't fall asleep. I just want to like listen to them and figure out what the heck they're talking about. But if you find a good one, then just like listening to it really relaxes you, and I've been falling asleep really quickly. So that has just been a fantastic find that we've really been enjoying, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone who has trouble sleeping, anyone who just needs to focus their brain. So yeah, check out Headspace. We've been loving it, and we've been using it for the past 2 months, I would say, and we pretty much listen to it every night when we're falling asleep, and yeah, it's absolutely great. All right, that was really short and sweet, but those are all of my monthly favorites for April. April flew by, and now May is already flying by, and then June is my birthday month, so I'm excited about that. We're definitely starting to get summer weather here in California. It just is getting hot. We actually got AC installed this year in the unit that we're in, so we're very thankful for that because we've already turned it on a couple of times. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing really well. Let me know what you guys have been loving in the month of April, and I guess now really the month of May too. I have a couple of new products that I'll be trying this month, so I'll share those over on Instagram with you. If you guys don't follow me there, I'm a little bit more active in terms of posting stories and checking in regularly, so go check that out. I'm at cosmeticsbycaroline, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd so appreciate if you subscribed. I want to get to 7,000 soon so that we can do a giveaway. So tell your friends, tell your family, share my channel. I really appreciate it. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.